beautiful one, welcome back to my channel. So today guys, I'm going to show you guys how to use ginger and cinnamon to reduce that stubborn belly fat. Is that like what you're interested in? Just keep on watching. Once again. So we need here is our ginger. So right now guys, I'm gonna peel off the back of the ginger. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. Share this video to your friends and to your loved one. Just click on that button down below and turn on the bell to be notified whenever I upload a new video. Ginger is very effective when it comes to belly fat burning and is a natural herb. Ginger promotes digestion, treats digestive problems and facilitates the absorption of fat in the body. Guys, there is a lot of benefit in ginger. If I'm not using your ginger, just go ahead and use your ginger. If you just want to keep in shape and reduce that belly fat, keep on using your ginger. Then I'll cut it. Then I'll add it straight to the plate. So the next I'm going to use is cinnamon stick. If you have the powder, you can go ahead and use the powder. Cinnamon promotes weight loss. Guys, cinnamon promotes weight loss. I'm gonna use just one stick of this cinnamon. So I will bring my pan. Then I'll add one cinnamon stick. Then I'll add my ginger. Like these two ingredients work so well, works like magic. So I'll add 1 liter of water. Then I'm gonna boil it for 10 minutes, okay? So guys, this is after 15 minutes. So I'm gonna turn off it. You can see the water has changed color. So I'm gonna turn off the gas and allow it to cool down for 5 minutes, okay? So this is after 5 minutes. So I'll add it straight to the cup. This is a natural booster. This drink gonna strengthen your immune system, reduce blood sugar and prevent respiratory diseases. This drink is best fit for you. Want to boost your immune system and reduce blood sugar, just go ahead and make it and drink. Just drink it in the morning and in the night 2 times a day and drink it completely for 1 week. I'm gonna see the results. So guys, right now I'm gonna tell you guys how to use it for better results. So if you're using it for weight loss to melt down that belly fat, you just drink it while it's still hot. Drink it after before food in the morning and last thing at night before going to bed, and you just melt down that fat and just keep in shape. If you want to drink this blood sugar for blood sugar, you will drink it immediately after food and drink it at night. The time that you visit toilet frequently, you're gonna reduce it and just make you to have cool sleep, and it will boost your immune system. Guys, it works. Go ahead and give it a try. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. Share this video to your friends and to your loved one. Just click on that button down below and turn on the bell to be notified whenever I upload a new video. Here comes the end of the video guys. If you love it, don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. Share this video to your friends and to your loved one. Just click on that button down below and turn up your notification bell to be notified whenever I upload a new video. Bye bye guys, see you guys in the next video. Bye bye. In this recipe, promote weight loss and burn accumulated fat in the abdominal area. It's a source of antioxidants which slow down aging. So it was guys, just go and give it a try.